It's Thursday, April 14th. Welcome to the mid-evening edition of my forecast. Among other things to talk about for tonight, some snow, especially for parts of Nova Scotia. And we can see some of that weather system already building into that province. Now, so far, it's mostly been rain around large areas of Cape Breton, even around the Sydney area. And through that part of Cape Breton, so Sydney and off towards the east, much of this weather system is just going to come down in the form of rain. So that's really going to limit your snowfall potential. Same thing goes around parts of the Atlantic coastline heading into mainland Nova Scotia. Other areas, though, including Inverness County and the Highlands, where temperatures will be cooler. Here it is expected to turn over to some accumulating wet snow. Same thing goes for many inland areas of the northeast of Nova Scotia. In fact, this is where some of the highest snowfall totals are expected. And even down towards Halifax, turning over to accumulating wet snow as we head through tonight, with it around again on Friday morning. Very poor timing with this weather system because it's going to create some very tricky conditions for that Friday morning commute, which is what we'll see here as we take a look at a forecast model. This is how things are expected to develop as we move through this evening and towards midnight tonight. The snow here and through that band of blue, again from western parts of Cape Breton, straight down into the northeast of Nova Scotia, down towards Halifax, where it remains to make our way into the early morning hours of Friday. Many locations at this point in time are going to see some wet snowfall amounts starting to add up into the range of 10 to 20 centimeters. Very snowy, slushy roads, and it is going to be a sticky, somewhat heavy snow. So we'll be collecting on some branches, could be collecting on power lines, and that will increase the risk of seeing some power outages. Now, as we move through Friday morning, some of the lighter snow may wrap down towards the south shore of Nova Scotia into Lunenburg County, potentially into northern parts of the Annapolis Valley, areas of Cumberland and Colchester counties. But as we'll see in my snowfall forecast, the amounts there are expected to be a little bit lower. Additionally, the snow will come back into eastern parts of Prince Edward Island, Kings County, tapering off to some lighter snow or flurries heading towards Charlottetown. Parts of Nova Scotia, by the way, including around Halifax, heading up through the east into Cape Breton, those areas seeing snow in the morning, you are expected to mix with or turn over to some rain showers as we make our way through Friday afternoon and temperatures warm up a little bit. So the snowfall forecast for the region, New Brunswick pretty much missing this next weather system. Mostly sunny skies tomorrow, with the exception of Moncton in the southeast, that we'll see some increasing cloudiness and a chance of flurries for the afternoon hours. Speaking of flurries for Prince Edward Island, around Charlottetown, the lighter snow may amount to as much as a coating, up to a few centimeters, increasing to amounts that may be as high as 5 to 10 centimeters for parts of Kings County. And across Nova Scotia, the bullseye for the highest snowfall amounts in the northeast, parts of Pictou and Antigonish counties, heading in towards areas of Colchester County, inland areas for eastern Halifax County and Guysborough County, there as much as 15 to 25 centimeters, 10 to 15 centimeters for Inverness County, the west of Cape Breton, all the way down towards Halifax, parts of Hants County, and then amounts tapering to become much lower as you head into the southwest of the province. Lows in the forecast for the night tonight in New Brunswick between -7 and -1 for the province. Prince Edward Island will see low temperatures between -1 and 1 degree. Nova Scotia as well with low temperatures in the night for tonight between -1 and 1. Highs in the forecast for tomorrow for New Brunswick. Not bad in the afternoon, 5 to 7 degrees through the north of the province, as warm as 10 for St. Stephen. Cooler around the eastern coastline of New Brunswick, including Moncton. Northeast winds coming in off the Northumberland Strait and the Gulf of St. Lawrence. And for Moncton, there will be that chance of flurries for the afternoon. Prince Edward Island with high temperatures tomorrow that are just going to be a degree or two above freezing. Lighter snow flurries around Charlottetown, and then that steadier snow towards Kings County, Prince Edward Island. And still dealing with some fairly heavy snow, at least through the morning hours on Friday, through much of the northeast of Nova Scotia. And then even some sunny breaks, though, and escaping the heaviest of the snowfall down towards the southwest of the province. 7-day forecast moving forward. Nice weekend still for New Brunswick, mostly sunny on Saturday. Same thing goes for Sunday, even warmer temperatures in the forecast. Cooling down with the cold front moving through on Monday, bringing with it a mix of rain and snow. For Prince Edward Island tomorrow, dealing with the flurries and the periods of snow off towards the east. After that, a mix of sun and cloud for Saturday and Sunday. A chance of flurries on Monday with that approaching cold front, and cooler temperatures to follow for a few days after that. And for Nova Scotia, a very messy end to this week, but over to a mix of sun and cloud on Saturday. Warmer temperatures on Sunday, holding over till Monday, and then cooling down on Tuesday of next week, when again we could see a mixture of some rain and some wet snow for the province.